everyone, welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. I'm Miss Jenny, a children's librarian from the Elyria Public Library System, and today I'm going to be making some cucumber tea party sandwiches. How fun is that? So to do this, you'll just need some bread. So I've got my loaf of bread right here. You'll need some cream cheese. I have a tub of plain cream cheese right here, but if you want to try to experiment with any of the other flavors, that would be kind of fun. I also have my cucumber. And I have some dill that I'm going to sprinkle on my sandwiches just to add a little bit of extra flavor. You can do whatever you would like. So to start off with, I'm going to slice my cucumbers. And I'm going to be using kind of a sharp knife for this, so make sure you get a grown-up's help. Okay, so let me get this going. I have some already sliced here. I'll just slice a few more. I like to slice mine kind of thin. So I'm just going to do this, just like this. Get a few sliced. Okay, just like that. So those are ready to go when I have my sandwich all made. I'm going to set those off to the side. And now I'm going to get my bread. So I'm going to get a few slices out here. And then I'm going to get my cream cheese. Do this. Just like this. Got my cream cheese. And I'm just going to spread the cream cheese right on the two slices of bread, just like I'm buttering my toast in the morning or something, okay? So just like this. It doesn't have to look really neat. You don't have to get it all the way to the edges either, because I'm going to cut the crusts off when I'm done. So just like this. A little bit more. You can put as much on as you'd like. Maybe you only like a small amount. Maybe you like a lot of cream cheese. It's totally up to you. Okay, I'm going to spread it just like this, on both slices, so that your sandwich sticks together really nicely. Okay, so once you have your cream cheese ready to go, set that to the side. So you're ready to start putting your cucumber slices on. And I'm just going to kind of arrange them like this. Again, they can look however you'd like them to look. You can put a lot on, you can put a little on. I'm just going to do 4 just like that. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of my dill on there to add a little bit of seasoning, a little extra flavor. And then put my sandwich together just like that. And now I'm going to get my sharp knife out again. So again, you might want to get your grown-ups help. And then we're just going to cut the crusts off just like this. One side at a time. Okay. This out of the way. There we go. Just like that. And now I think I'm going to cut my sandwich into little triangles, because that's more fun for a tea party. So you could leave it like that with big triangles, or you can try cutting them into smaller triangles that look like that. Perfect for your tea party or your afternoon snack, whenever you would like to have it. And then they look just like that, and you're ready to go. I'm going to try one more thing though. So I don't have a cookie cutter, I just have this round biscuit cutter, but if you have a really fun cookie cutter shape at home, you might want to try making some sandwiches in some fun shapes. So I'm going to get a couple more slices of bread out, and I am going to move these little triangles right over here out of the way. We're going to see if this works. So I'm going to take my cutter, and I'm going to cut right through my bread, and now I have 2 little circles, and I'm going to make a sandwich like that. Do the exact same thing that I did before. Just spread a little bit of cream cheese. Some on each side, just like this. It doesn't have to look perfect, remember. And then I'm going to add a few cucumbers to that. Maybe a little bit more of the dill for a little seasoning. Then put your sandwich together. And now, instead of triangles, you've got something in maybe a little bit more of a fun shape. So I'll put that circle right there. And now you've got a whole variety of tea party sandwiches. Those are perfect for your snack, for your fun tea party, whatever you'd like to do with them. So enjoy. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.